Hello and welcome back to Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff Inc. In today's tutorial we will show you how to replace and remove the front speaker for your CF-30. For starters, you need to turn over your Toughbook. There is a screw located here next to the speaker, which needs to be removed. You have to give it a little bit of leverage, get a little bit of torque going, and that will allow you to loosen the screw. That way you can remove it. I'll mark it with a red circle so that way you know exactly where it is. Pop off this black bracket right here. We'll place that to the side for now. I'll flip the computer on its side so you know exactly what's going on. But there is a black plate or cover where the speaker is that needs to be removed, because that is where we'll be pulling the speaker from when we disconnect it from the board. Place. Once we get that screw removed, then we can remove this cover. After that, lay the computer back down flat, and next we're going to have to remove the back plate from this CF-30. There are several smaller screws, which I usually remove first, and then I go for the larger screws. So we'll first remove the smaller screws by using this small Phillips head screwdriver. Every small screw, which holds the back plate in place. Also a separate tutorial for the keyboard cable cover as well as, and we will link them in the video. So I'm working my way. The hard disk drive first by opening this latch over here and then removing the disk drive. Next we are going to removing the battery as well. We'll place those to the side for the speaker. So to remove the touchpad board, there are two screws that actually hold it in place. And there is actually a ribbon cable which leads to the board itself from the FPC. So we will disconnect that first. Then we will remove the two screws. A extra ribbon cable here going into the touchpad board, which is covered by a piece of tape that has to be removed. Remove the tape. That would just give you a better view of how to unclip this ribbon cable from the touchpad. And once you remove that, then you can just lift your touchpad board out of place. Excuse me, there's actually another ribbon cable that we're going to loosen up the FPC by removing these two. screws here. That should allow you to remove the touchpad. Okay, now that the touchpad has been removed, there is a piece of tape covering the two antenna cables that has to be first removed. It's also covering a plastic which leads to where the speaker is plugged into the board, or the main board. So you remove the tape and you place that to the side, and then there's a ribbon cable underneath the tape which has to be disconnected. But first, before you do that, you want to disconnect the black and white antenna cables that are ran from the bottom of the board. Now, these two right here obviously are the ones that I'm referring to. Disconnect these. You can use a small Phillips head screwdriver or a flathead to do this. It makes it a lot easier because they're such small wires, but remove those, disconnect them. Then there's right next to the right of it, on my right, a ribbon cable connected into the main board, which also has to be disconnected at this point. If it makes you more comfortable, you can disconnect the FPC entirely, but I feel like it's not necessary, just because we're only removing the speaker. And at this point, you've freed up enough space to really disconnect that speaker at this point. Now you're gonna have to remove the heat cover or plastic over top of the wires. Remove this plastic cover here, and then there will be a ribbon cable right underneath it, an orange ribbon cable, which needs to be disconnected. So lift up the clip, pull out the cable, and there you go. After which, we will be disconnecting the speaker itself. Now the speaker wire runs all the way from the front of the computer, all the way underneath these boards, and right here, plugged into the main board. So, I'm going to disconnect this wire. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver to do that. And once you've done this, we're just simply going to run it the opposite way. Now, we're going to be removing these pieces of tape. I'm going to go use a flathead Phillips head to do this. Just makes it easier to lift this tape up because it can be really stuck. So I got one piece loose, and there's a second piece underneath this ribbon cable. Now there's another chassis sort of holding in place that has to be removed. There are two screws that hold this chassis in place, which we're going to remove first. Rubber stopper over a screw hole that also can give it a bit more free space to remove. So there you go. That is how you remove the speaker from your CF-30. And next tutorial we'll be replacing the speaker back into the CF-30.
Thanks for watching today. For more repair videos, click the link below. And remember, if you have a screwdriver, you can fix a computer.